So we just continue the problems in module 1. The theory part is completed. So you can take down this question. Sketch the following signal. Sketch the following signal. X of t is equal to u of t minus u of t minus 2. So now the first step is I should draw u of t, then I should draw u of t minus 2, then I should find minus of u of t minus 2. See, performing subtraction operation is difficult and is not preferable in signals and systems. So what I can do is I can draw the signal u of t, then I can add with minus of u of t minus 2. Always perform the addition operation. Okay. So now you know how to represent the signal u of t. Write the solution, everyone. So along the x-axis, I have the time t. It is a unit step continuous time signal, continuous time. So that's why I can write unit step continuous time signal. So you can see my screen, unit step. So the amplitude is 1. So unit step signal means at 0, the amplitude is 1. And after time t is equal to 0 and t is greater than 0, the amplitude is 1. Whereas t less than 0, the amplitude is 0. So I have successfully drawn the first signal u of t. Then what I should do? I should draw u of t minus 2 first, because directly drawing minus of u of t minus 2 will be confused. So what I do is I do step by step diagram. So the next step is I will draw u of t minus 2. So write the amplitude u of t minus 2, u of t minus 2. So t minus 2 means, can anybody tell me from where I should start, whether it is at the positive side or at the negative side? Please unmute yourself and reply. Otherwise, I cannot understand whether you are understanding or not. So from where I have to start the sketch, tell me, u of t minus 2. See, am I right here? Just check the
Positive side.
Yeah, am I right? Is my diagram is right? You can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, what is the next step? I said, what is the next step? Minus of u of t minus 2. So minus of u of t minus 2 means, what will be the change in the diagram? I'm just showing the diagram now. So I have x-axis. Now my amplitude is minus of u of t minus 2. Can anybody tell me how will be the change in the diagram? Where it should be? It should be along positive y-axis or negative y-axis?
Negative.
Negative. Now you see whether my diagram is correct. You can see. Is my correct now? My diagram is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, as per the question, what I should do is I should add my first diagram and the third diagram. I should add both. Okay. So now I am writing the final diagram. So final diagram, since I do not have space at the bottom, you should draw one below the other. Okay. So now I will draw here. I will draw here. I have, so now my complete sketch is for x of t. X of t is equal to u of t minus u of t minus 2. So I will write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. See, now when I add, listen, at 0, I want everyone to see here. I will take different color. Okay. At 0, what is the amplitude in u of t? What is the amplitude? Make it fast. 1. And I have to add with the third signal. At in third signal, what is the amplitude at t equal to 0?
-1.
Hey, check it whether it is minus
Minus
1.
1.
Is it minus 1 or 0? Check the diagram.
0, ma'am.
0. See, at t is equal to 0, I have an amplitude 1 here. But whereas in the last diagram, my amplitude is 0. So when I add both, will I get the amplitude as 1? Right? At t equal to 0. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This has to be continued up to, just guess and tell me. See, at t is equal to 1 also my amplitude is 1. And again, in the last diagram at t is equal to 1, again my amplitude is 0. So this amplitude, when I add, it will continue up to 1. Now, let me check at the value t equal to 2. At t equal to 2, again my amplitude is 1. But here, at t is equal to 2, is my amplitude is 1 or 0, or what is the amplitude at t is equal to 0? At t
-1.
minus 1. So now at t equal to 2, I have to add 1 and minus 1. If I add 1 and minus 1, what should be the value at t equal to 2?
0.
0. So at t is equal to 2, see here at t is equal to 2, my amplitude should be 0. So it should be dropped. I will drop the signal now. But see, I have done a mistake. At t is equal to 0, at t equal to 2, I have to drop the signal. So how I have to drop? I have to make the amplitude up to 1, up to t equal to 1, my amplitude is 1. But at t is equal to 2, my amplitude is 0. So now, if you see the first diagram and the third diagram, it is exactly opposite. At t is equal to 3, the amplitude is 1. At t is equal to 3, the amplitude is minus 1. So all the values will be cancelled up to infinite time. So my diagram will be, the final diagram will be like this. Am I clear? You see the diagram now? After t equal to 1, you have to show the 0 value like this along the x-axis. I think I am clear. Or you have any doubts in this? Have you completed the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a small change. Wait, there is a small change. Wait a minute. So let me again. Again, I will explain it to you. So I am drawing the x-axis here. So let me explain in terms of. I'm sorry. There is a small confusion in the diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will repeat the solution again. At t is equal to 0, initial amplitude is 1, and here it is 0. So at t is equal to 0, I have maintained the amplitude as 1. Next, at t is equal to 1, here the amplitude is 1, and here again the amplitude is 0. So at t is equal to 1 also, I will be having an amplitude. Okay. Now, at t is equal to 2, from the main diagram, the amplitude is 1, and at t is equal to 2, here the amplitude is minus 1. So the concept says that after 2, the signal will be cancelled. So this amplitude has to be maintained up to t is equal to 2. Or I can say when there is a change in the diagram amplitude, there only you have to show the depreciation in the amplitude. So till then, your amplitude will be maintained as 1. So further, we will solve one more problem based on this. You will understand it better. So in simple terms, if I want to convey, see now I have erased the middle diagram. I have only now diagram 1 and diagram 3. So when I compare the diagram 1 and diagram 3, you can see, so up to 2, definitely I have an amplitude 1 here. So that has to be maintained, and after 2 there is a transition, because -1 and +1 gets cancelled. That transition I am showing as 0 throughout. So I hope it is okay now. Let me solve one more problem so that you will understand it better. So can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the next problem is based on the same unit step signal only. So we will do it very slowly and without any confusions. So now I will share the screen. Okay, just copy this question. Sketch the signal. Sketch the signal x of t is equal to. Sketch the signal x of t is equal to minus of u of t plus 3 plus 2 u of t minus t plus 1 and minus 2 u of t minus 1 and plus u of t minus 3. So copy the question. X of t is equal to minus u of t plus 3 plus 2 u of t plus 1 minus 2 u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 3. So I will just take the empty sheet so that I can show the diagram properly. So now I have to draw each diagram separately. Each expression I have to draw it separately. So now my first one is minus of u of t plus 3. I want someone to tell me whether can I draw minus of u of t plus 3 directly, or I should draw first u of t plus 3 and then I can take minus of u of t plus 3.
Directly only we can.
Directly only. But if you are having no confusion, you can do it directly. Okay. So let me do step by step. Okay. So I will show 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3 I will show here. Since it is plus 3, I have to shift it towards the negative side. So -1, -2, -3. Okay. So now listen, your original signal of u of t will be like this. So from 0 and positive time. So now this has to be shifted. So your original signal is over here. This has to be shifted to -3 position. So this is for plus u of t plus 3. Plus u of t plus 3. But my question says I should draw for minus u of t plus 3. So let me change in the same diagram itself. So minus means amplitude should be at the bottom. That's it. So now I will just extend the minus y axis. I will just change the +1 amplitude as -1. So now I will erase the first step here. Am I right here? I have completed the first diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is your second expression as per the question? Your second expression is 2 into u of t plus 1. So let me draw step by step. So I have an axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and here I have -1. So since it is u of t plus 1, first let me draw u of t plus 1. So I should draw at -1. Now my amplitude is 1. But my question is not just u of t plus 1. My question is 2 into u of t plus 1. So what I will do is, I will modify in the same diagram using different color. So I will just increase the amplitude to 2. Okay, so the amplitude is now 2. So let me erase the initial diagram. Initial diagram I have erased it. So here now the amplitude is 2. This is 2 now. So is everyone having a clear idea about this? So second diagram is 2 into u of t plus 1. What about the third term? Third term is, what is the third term?
Minus 2 u of t minus 1.
So minus 2 u of t minus 1. So how many steps I have to follow? First, let me draw roughly. Final diagram, I will put it below to this diagram. Okay, so the rough diagram says, so it is showing u of t minus 1. So minus 1 means I should start from plus 1. So I should start from plus 1. Then I have to use this 2 amplitude. So I have to increase the amplitude to 2. I have to increase the amplitude to 2. So now I will erase the old one. So now I have completed 2 into u of t minus 1. Then I have to include this minus sign. So to include the minus sign, what I should do? I should draw at the bottom. That's it. I should draw at the bottom. So now this is minus 2. This is minus 2. So now I will erase the unwanted things which is there in the diagram. So is everyone understood this? Can I draw here? So my third expression I will draw here. My third expression says that I have an amplitude of minus 2. So this is minus 2. And the time is 1. And this is the expression for minus of 2 into u of t minus 1. Now, what is the third step? Third step is u of t minus 3. Can I draw directly u of t minus 3? Because that is very easy. So, I will draw u of t minus 3. So, minus 3, that means I have to take at plus 3. So, I will take different color now. So this is the diagram now. The amplitude is 1 only for this diagram. The amplitude is 1. And the y-axis is u of t minus 3. T minus 3. So I hope everyone completed all the 4 diagrams. So now we have to add everything. See the question, have we written everything properly? Have we drawn everything properly? Can we write the final answer? My final answer is, so let me draw the diagram. I will draw, you people draw the last one below the other. The answer should be also bottom of your 4 diagrams. Since I do not have any space, I am just doing here. So I will just label the axis first. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here it is 0. Here it is 1, 2, and 3. So my y-axis is x of t as per the question. So now I want to see the question properly, all the 4 diagrams properly. At minus 3, from the first diagram, I have an amplitude of minus 1. Okay. But for the other diagrams, I do not have anything at minus 3. So I will maintain minus 3 as minus 1 only. Minus 3 as minus 1 only because I do not have anything to add. Because in the second diagram, I do not have anything at minus 3 position. In the third diagram also, I do not have anything at minus 3. And fourth diagram also, I do not have anything at minus 3. So, at minus 3, I have maintained the amplitude as minus 1. Okay. So, now, you should know this minus 1 till where it has to continue. For that, the answer is, so you can see in the first diagram, at minus 2, you have minus 1. And the second diagram also do not have anything. And third diagram also do not have anything. And fourth diagram also do not have anything. So this minus 1 will continue even up to minus 2. So now we will see the diagram. First diagram at minus 1, you have an amplitude of minus 1. And this minus 1 is continued up to time t is equal to minus 1. And you can see here, you can see a transition. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of transition? I am using the word transition. What is transition?
Change in state or waveform.
Very good, very good. Change in state or waveform. So now here at minus 1, I could see the transition. So definitely here in the final answer at minus 1, I will be having some change. So what change? So I can see at minus, from the first diagram, I have -1 as the amplitude. And the second diagram at -1, I have an amplitude of 2. I have an amplitude of 2. And third diagram and fourth diagram does not have any amplitude. So I can say at -1, if I add the amplitude, so -1 from the first diagram and then +2 from the second diagram, my amplitude is 1. So that means till -1, the state will be continued where the transition is happening. At that transition, your output will be the calculated value. What is the value I have calculated? The value calculated is 1. So it will go up to 1. I hope you are getting this. So
Yes,
as
ma'am.
as per the diagram, when there is a transition, even in your output also, in that place only you will see a transition. And how much the transition will be there, that is decided by the values added. So -1 plus 2. So -1 plus 2 is 1. So now can anybody check at 0? Can you check in all the 4 diagrams how much will be the amplitude? At 0, can anybody tell me what is the amplitude at 0? At 0, the first diagram, how much is the amplitude from the first diagram?
1.
1 or -1? Check Mari.
-1.
-1. And from the second diagram, what is the amplitude?
1.
Is it 1? Check your notebook. For the second diagram at 0, what is the amplitude?
2, ma'am.
2. Okay, 2. Very good. 2. Very good. Very good. And third diagram, you do not have anything. And fourth diagram also, you do not have anything. Right? So I should not face any transition in the final diagram. I have to just maintain the amplitude of how much? Amplitude is 1. So I have to maintain the amplitude. I have to maintain the amplitude. I hope you are getting it. So I have completed at t is equal to 0. Now let me come to t equal to 1. At t equal to 1, now I want you people to tell me the calculation. At t equal to 1. So at t equal to 1, tell me the first diagram's amplitude. First diagram's amplitude is -1. And second diagram amplitude is
2.
2. And the third diagram amplitude is
-2.
okay, -2. And fourth diagram, you do not have anything, right? So now you see carefully, I will use some different color which I have not used. See, at t is equal to 1, I could see the transition. So the same transition, it will happen at t equal to 1 here. Okay. So till then, I have to maintain the amplitude which I have calculated. So when I calculate my amplitude, what it says? So till 1, I have to maintain the previous amplitude, and the transition happens at t equal to 1. So how much should be the amplitude? -2 plus 2 gets cancelled. So my amplitude will be -1. So at t is equal to 1, my amplitude is -1. I hope you are getting this point. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see at t is equal to 2. I want everyone to see at t is equal to 2 and get me the answer. T is equal to 2. My first diagram says amplitude is -1. My second diagram says amplitude is +2. And my third diagram says the amplitude is -2. And my fourth diagram says the amplitude is 0. So now if I add everything, I will be getting the same amplitude, -1. So do you find any transition at t is equal to 2? Check closely and tell me. Do you find any transition at t equal to 2?
No, ma'am.
So can I, and my amplitude is -1. So can I maintain -1 till t equal to 2? Yes. So now
Yes, ma'am.
I will come to the last one, t equal to 3. So t is equal to 3. I want you to tell me the calculation. T is equal to 3. So calculation says -1 plus 2 minus 2 and In the last diagram also I have an amplitude 1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So now everything gets cancelled. Now you tell me, is there any transition happening at t is equal to 3? Is there any transition?
Yes, ma'am.
So if there is a transition, then I have to show the transition. So my value of 2 will be continued up to 3, and at 3 my amplitude is 0 because my calculated value is 0 here. Okay. So can I repeat this problem again, or is it okay? Can I go to the next problem? Can I repeat this problem again? Those who want can.
yellow color ಅಲ್ಲಿ repeat ಮಾಡಿ
ನಾನು yellow color ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, listen carefully. Time ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You just listen carefully. So I hope you understood the 4 diagrams how to do it. So now I should go from left hand side to the right hand side. So let me start with the left hand side. I have at -3. I think I have erased the diagram. At -3, the amplitude is -1. Okay. And if I see the other diagrams, I do not have any value. So what I will do is, at -3, I will raise the amplitude to -1, and I keep continuing it. I keep continuing it till I will see the transition in the any one of the 4 diagrams. Okay. So I will just erase my final diagram, then I will draw again for you. So let me so -1 here and 1. So what I found from the at 3 equal to 3 from all the 4 signals, I have at -3, my amplitude is -1. I should continue till I see the transition in the any one of the 4 diagrams. So let me see where I will get the transition. So now I am checking at the point -2. At -2, from the first diagram I am having -1, and from the second diagram I do not have anything, and the third diagram also I do not have anything, and in the fourth diagram also I do not have anything. That means I do not see any transition. Okay, the state is continued in the first diagram, whereas in the other diagrams I do not see any change. So I will maintain the amplitude as -1 from -3 to -2. Now at -1, I will just check the values. At -1, so at -1, can anybody tell me the amplitudes here? What additions I have to perform? It is -1, and here it is from the second diagram it is +2, and third diagram nothing, fourth diagram nothing. So my answer, the amplitude answer is coming as 1. So what it means is, at -1 I should show the transition, and at -1 the value should be 1. My value should be 1. So I'm just raising at -1, the amplitude is 1. So till the previous time, till previous values I have to maintain the same in the final answer. I should show the transition in the final diagram, the change of state, only when there is a change of state in the in any one of the diagrams of the 4 signals. So now let me talk about 0. At time t is equal to 0, time t equal to 0. So I have from the first diagram -1, and the second diagram it is 2, and third diagram nothing, and fourth diagram nothing. So my amplitude is 1 +1. And you can ask me, ma'am, do we have any transition at t is equal to 0? No, there is no transition because the previous value was continued. Here also the previous value is continued. So I do not see any transition at t equal to 0. So the value will be continued at t equal to 0. That amplitude 1 will be continued. Even at t equal to 0 also the amplitude is 1. And you can ask me a question, and how I should do the transition in the final diagram. So when there is a transition in the input diagram, then there is a transition in the output diagram. Now let me see at t equal to 1. At t equal to 1, my state is continued. Here also my state is continued. But see in the third diagram, there is a change in the state. So now I could see there is a change in the state. So till 1, your previous value will be continued, and from 1 onwards, the value will be changed. How it will be changed? According to the amplitude values. So from the first diagram, my amplitude is -1. From the second diagram, the amplitude is 2. And from the third diagram, my amplitude is -2. So -2 plus 2 gets cancelled. So I said till 1, it will be maintained. After 1, it will be changed. How it will be changed? It will be changed to -1. So now my next value of t is 2. At t is equal to 2, can anybody tell me, is there any transition in the diagrams? First 4 diagrams, is there any transition at t is equal to 2? Is there any transition?
No, ma'am.
No. So if there is no transition, then the amplitude will be maintained. But still, I want to confirm that amplitude, how much will be the amplitude? So let me add it. -1 plus 2 minus 2. That's it. So my amplitude is same. Okay. At t equal to 2 also. Now, I want you to check, do you have any transition in any one of the diagrams? In one of the 4 diagrams at t equal to 3. Do you find any transition? Change of state, is it happening at t equal to 3?
Yes, ma'am.
In which diagram it is happening out of 4?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. So you see at t equal to 3, definitely there will be a change. So previous to 3, I have to maintain the amplitude same. The old amplitude I have to maintain previous to 3. At 3, I have to show the variation depending upon the added value of the amplitude. So let me add the amplitude -1 plus 2 minus 2 and then plus 1. So if you see, everything is cancelled. So at 3, my amplitude is 0. I hope you are getting this now. Is everyone clear with this? See, one of you have asked that t equal to 0, you show. Tell me, madam. Now you understood the complete problem? Reply fast, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now let me go to the first problem which I have done. Using this concept, let me check it. Okay. Let me check whether you can follow it or not. So I will just share the very first problem which we have done now. So let me just quickly glance it once. So let me just draw the diagram. So the first diagram says like this. My second diagram is minus of for t is equal to plus 2, you will be having -1. This is -1. So this is 0, 1 and 2. The amplitude is -1 and here the amplitude is 1. So now my final diagram I have to draw now. Final diagram, how to draw the final diagram? So I will draw the final diagram. So let me check at t equal to 0 in both the diagrams. T equal to 0. The amplitude is 1. T equal to 0, the amplitude is 1. Amplitude is 1. And so this is same. At t equal to 1 also the state is same, and t equal to here also 1 also the state is same. So this will be maintained at t equal to 1 also. If you add also, the amplitude is 1 only. Now at t equal to 2, I could see there is a change in the transition. Here it is 1, but here from 0 it is moved to -1. That is called as transition. So definitely in the final diagram, I should see the transition only at t equal to 2. Previous to that, the old amplitude will be maintained. But I should know how much will be the amplitude at t is equal to 2. To understand that, I have to add the amplitudes at t equal to 2. So when I add it, my first diagram says the amplitude is 1. My second diagram says the amplitude is -1. So 1 and -1 becomes 0. So at t equal to 0, the amplitude drops to 0. Is it okay now? You understood the transition, what is the meaning of transition, and how to show the transition in the output depending upon the transition in the input? Please tell me so that I feel happy. You have understood.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So now the meeting may disconnect in another 1 minute. Till then, You can just take down this problem. Only the question you take down, I will give the solution later. Sketch the signal x of t is equal to r of t plus 1 minus of r of t plus r of t minus 1. Copy down the question. Once you have copied, you let me know so that I will go to the Word, Microsoft Word to show the diagrams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I will stop this screen sharing. I will share the Word file. And so once the meeting is disconnected, you join back. So as per the question, my first term is R of t plus 1. So listen carefully. This is not unit step signal. R is nothing but which signal? Can anybody tell me? You have written the notes and submitted to me. What is R?
Ramp function.
What? I'm not
Ramp signal. ma'am.
ramp signal. Okay, very good. Ramp signal. See, I will tell you the basic ramp signal. So here you see the basic ramp signal. When 0, both are 0, then so it will be like this. So at t equal to 1, the amplitude is 1. At t equal to 2, the amplitude is 2.